Most AI videos stop too soon. The story needs more time. Same character, same energy. Not a new face every clip. Not a new voice. Not a restart. This is EdgeCut, the studio that keeps going. Unlimited time.
Start with your avatar. Keep the same identity and the same voice. Magic extend. Keep going.
Without breaking the flow. New world, same you. Consistent colors, continuous story. One continuous story.
Use the AI of the reference character to plan the sequence. Talk to it with voice chat, shot by shot. Approve the storyboard, then animate the film. Add elements with voice. Characters, products, voices, locked in.
Multi-shots. New angles. Zero identity drift. No weird jumps. Need a change? Edit any video. Same identity. Better shot. Render in native 4K. Sharp enough for the big screen. Organize everything in the smart gallery. Find every scene when you need it. Finish it inside a professional video editor. Short clips are fine, but full stories are better. Smooth transitions.
One avatar, one voice, one continuous story. Create long AI videos in the character, the look, the voice, the flow.
EdgeCut Magic Extend. Wait, is it still generating? Nope, that was the point. And now it's done.